Hello friends, welcome to mytutorial.com. In this Angular brand new series, we will learn Angular step by step from start to end. Before we start working on the Angular application, we need to set up the environment, the local development environment. So let's get started. So for setting up the Angular environment, we need to install Node.js. We also need to install NPM. We also need to install Angular CLI, TypeScript, and we also need any editor. So in this whole series, we will use Visual Studio Code. Finally, we will create a Hello World application and we will see the demo. So let's get started. So first of all, let's install Node and NPM. So for installing Node and NPM, we will go to Node.js official website. So just click on that, open it in a new tab. And here we have two versions. One is the stable version and the other one is the current version. So we will install latest stable version. However, you can download any of them. So in this series, for this tutorial, we will download this stable version. So I clicked on that, it is getting downloaded. Now this is downloaded. Let's open this in a folder. So here we have, just double click on that. And follow the instruction. So just click on next, accept this agreement, click on next, leave everything as it is, just click on next, again next, leave this checkbox as it is, click on next, finally click on install. Say yes. It might take a little bit of time depending on your internet speed, so don't worry. Now that Node.js is installed, click on finish, come back to this website. So just to verify that whether this Node.js is installed or not, open run command, type cmd, and here from any location, you don't need to go to any specific path, from any location, just type this command, node-v, and see we have Node 12.18.3 installed. Please note that when you install Node.js, NPM automatically get installed. So we have done two steps. We installed Node and NPM. So if you see when you install Node, when you download and install Node, you automatically get NPM installed on your computer. So you especially don't need to install NPM. So NPM is also installed. So just let's check the version of NPM. So npm-v. And see, NPM is also installed. So we installed Node and NPM. Let's install Angular CLI. Angular CLI. So for installing Angular CLI, we have a command called npm installed -g. This will install, this command -g will install npm globally. Copy this command and paste it here. So and paste it. Press enter. See, now our npm is getting installed. It may take 2, 3, 4 minutes depending on your internet connection. Now Angular CLI is also installed. So let's verify whether it is installed or not. So this is the command ng-version. ng-version. And you see the Angular is also installed, 10.0.5. Okay, so now the next step is we also need to install TypeScript. But remember, this is optional. Even if you don't install TypeScript, it is fine. So for installing TypeScript, we need to run a command called npm installed -g type escape. So just copy this command, clear the console, and paste it. Press enter. TypeScript is also installed. So let's verify the version of this TypeScript. So this is the command tsc-v. TypeScript 3.9.7 is also installed. So in this whole series, we will use Visual Studio Code. So let's go to Visual Studio Code official website. And here you can see option for downloading. So click on that and select the installer based on your operating system. So we will be using Windows. So just click on Windows and it will install. It is getting downloaded. So it may take a few minutes depending on your internet connection. It is downloaded, show in a folder. Just double click on that. Accept the agreement, click on next, next, install. Leave all the option as it is. You don't need to change anything. So it is preparing to install. So finally, Visual Studio Code is also installed. So just come back to our website and we will verify whether our Visual Studio Code is installed or not. So from the same command prompt, let's clear the console and we will write code dot. So if the Visual Studio Code is installed, it will open up like this. So just close this Visual Studio Code at this point of time. So we have already done all these 5 steps. Finally, we will create a Hello World application. So create and run your first Angular application. So for creating an Angular application, we have ng space new, and you can give any name of your choice. This is the name of application that we are going to create. So just copy this command. And finally, we will create our first Angular application. This application will be Hello World application. So this is the command, ng space new and name of the application you want to create. So just copy this command from here, right click and copy, come to command prompt, go to D directives, and in the D directives, just copy this command. Give any name as per your choice. So we will give my Angular first app. Press enter. It will ask, the moment you press enter, it will ask you to add route. You can say yes and no. So at this point of time, I will say no. It will again ask, do you want to add any CSS? So you can do arrow. So you can do up and down arrow. So just leave this option selected as it is, press enter. So now our application is getting created. It may take 2 to 3 minutes depending upon your internet connection again. Now you can see that our application is created successfully. Package installed successfully. However, we are also able to see that there are few warnings that you can simply ignore at this point of time. So let's go to the folder where we created our application. So we created our application in D drive and the application name is My Angular First App. So let's go to D drive and here you can see in the D drive we have My Angular First application created. So just click on that and click on the address bar and type CMD and press enter. The moment you press enter, it will open up a command prompt. With the directory, we have my Angular first app. So here you type code space dot and press enter. The moment you press enter, it will open up your project in Visual Studio Code. So here we go. Here is the project structure. Here is the project structure. We will discuss about this project structure in our next video. So for compiling this application, for running this application, we need to open up a terminal. So we already have a terminal open here. If the terminal is not open, just come to this menu and click on new terminal. So it will give you a new terminal here. For running the application, for compiling the application, we have a command called ng space serve space -o. This -o will automatically open your application in a browser if your application gets compiled successfully. So let's type this command on the terminal. ng space serve -o and press enter. Now you can see that our application is compiling. Our application got compiled successfully and it also opened in a new window. So see, our application is running on this localhost 4200 port. So if you see this message, compiled successfully and Angular Live Development Server is listening on localhost 4200. Open your browser on HTTP localhost 4200. So even if you just copy this path from here, Control C, and come to open a tab, just copy and paste it here, press enter. So you will be able to see the same result that you are able to see in this tab. So thanks for watching, and if you really like this video, please share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care.